How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I want to show you guys the execution kit that we offer. This stands up to its name. It'll execute any project that you have in getting the job done. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the biggest one that that comes with the kit, and that is the 24-inch heavy hitter. Now this is a block. Okay, this is 1/2 inch thick. You've got your 2 sphere handles on it, and you can kind of see it's got a little bit of flex, okay, which is really good for roofs, deck lids, hoods, anything like that that may have just a little bit of a curve to it. I really love the weight of this one. You don't have to put a lot of weight down when you're blocking with this because the block itself is that weight. So if you want to really be part of what you're doing, get yourself this block. It's going to be phenomenal. Next in the kit is the 18-inch moneymaker. Very, very different than the heavy hitter style. This is 1/8 inch thick. It's got the tube handle on top, extremely lightweight, but yet very, very rigid. So this is awesome if you're working a door, a fender, a quarter panel that's got some really nice straight lines. This block will get the job done. Next we have the 11-inch universal, 1/4 inch polycarbonate, 2 spheres on top. It's got some flex to it, but it does take some effort to make that happen. So if you're working something that's a little bit shorter, that's got some radius to it, this block is awesome for that. Or if you're coming off, a roof or a hood or something like that that kind of drops, this block will be really good for those areas. Then we have the 8-inch featherweight. Very, very, kind of a smaller block, still very, very flexible since it's that 1/8 inch material here. And so this allows you to get a lot of curved areas with this block. And then we've got the 5.5 inch straight shooter. Awesome feeling block. This works great for smaller areas that you're getting a lot of detail work done on. This block will get the job done for sure. So head over to our website, bkblocks.com, and get you guys the execution kit.